Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode opening some birthday challenge mail. As you guys can see, look at this fun box, you guys. This is from Dina Espinosa and she says that she's new to YouTube and this is her very first challenge, you guys. That is so exciting. I've got so many newbies that entered my challenge and it's so fun to see all that you create and that you think that you're a beginner and your work is amazing. Look at this box. Super cute and fun, and look at her confetti. Like, she's already a pro at packaging up Happy Meal. This is so fun. She cut up crepe paper. Super cute. So she's crafting it up with D. I'm gonna have her link down below. Go show her some love. And yeah, you guys, let's get into this box. So I'm gonna take out all this fun and we're gonna put it on the desk to make it look pretty. I'm gonna move out the box and take everything out. I have not looked at anything because it was so wrapped up. I didn't want to mess it up. So this box has been sitting on my desk for quite some time. And let's take everything out. Look at this, you guys. She wrapped everything up. I feel like I'm opening birthday presents. Okay, so that's the box, how she has it. And I'm gonna try to sit down for this one because my back is killing me. And hopefully I stay in frame. Okay, so what are we gonna start off with? I think this is her tag flip, and if it is, OMG, super chunky. Okay. I'm able to salvage all this paper too. So in here we have her embellishments, and look, you guys, she made some fun rosettes. Look at this, they're layered. There's tulle. I might have to bring my, let me see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna still have to stand. You see, you guys, because it's just, I don't know if I should go, let me see. Let's try this out. Okay, maybe if I do that. Right? Yep, I think I could do that and sit down. So these are her rosettes, and she's got like a layer of cardstock, tulle, and then some trim, and then her rosette. So pretty. There's a cute little cupcake here, and they're sitting on top of, if you can see that, it's sprinkle paper. How cute. It says happy birthday, surprise, sweet birthday. These are adorable. So these are her embellishments, and I, of course, am going to save this paper, Dina. Thank you so much, because this can be used in packaging other Happy Meal. So we're gonna put that in there. I'm gonna open this one up because look at this. She didn't even put any tape on the paper, so I am able to totally use it. Oh my gosh, you guys, those are so cute. I love this metallic paper. Fold it nicely. And we're going to save it. Yeah, a nice blue one, a nice little red one. And I love her little confetti mix that she has here. So these are some more embellishments. And we have these cute little like popsicle sticks with the little pom-poms in the end. And they're little candy resins. Do you guys see that? How pretty. And it says celebrate. She's got like the little happy birthday here. This is, I think, a little ephemera piece from the Hooray. I love the rainbow. Do you guys see how cute that is? She's got like a little rainbow ribbon. So cute. I love the way she put her embellishments. Look at that. Super pretty. And then we have this one. And once again, she didn't add tape. And then I could reuse the tissue paper. This is her card, you guys. Oh, I want to see this. Let's save this up. And put it over here. Look at this card, you guys. How fun is that? You guys really got creative with your cards. And she left it blank. and kind of left me my message on here. And it's so cute. And it says, happy birthday, Lily. I hope your birthday is amazing. Wishing you all the love your heart can hold, all the joy a day can bring, and all the cake your stomach can handle. Oh, P.S. My daughter made you the cupcake on the back of the tag. Your crafty friend, Dina. Crafting it up with D. Aww. So where's the cupcake? Oh, this one, I guess it is, right? It says the cup on the back of the tag. Let me see. So I guess the tag is the tag flip. I can't wait to see it. Look at this. So fun. And look at all the sparkle and the glitter and the flowers. I love it. This little happy birthday. So pretty. And let's keep this right inside here. And put your card right here so that everybody can see it. And now we're going to open this chunky monkey because it looks like Dina went a little overboard. My gosh, you guys, look at this monster of a tag. Oh, these are cute little tags that probably felt, not tags, tickets. And put those right here. I'm going to take this out of here. And I think because it's such a chunky, I'm going to kind of back up a little bit. Look at this, you guys. Do you guys see this? You guys are amazing. Oh, I think this is the cupcake that her daughter made me. Look how pretty that is. That is so cute. Thank you so much for that. I love it. This is so cool. I love it. Okay, so where can we start here? Because there's so much to look at. Okay, so we have her beautiful tassel, which I'm already seeing this ribbon I've never seen before, and it's gorgeous. Look at that. She's got like a bunch of rainbow style little trims, and I've never seen half of these. This one is so cool. Dina, where'd you get this one? I love this. She put this cute little shaker tag, and it says happy birthday. She put a little sticker on it with a little pom-pom on the hat. You guys see that? How cute. Oh my gosh, this tag flip is amazing. Look, you guys, this is the first one, and it says hooray. She's got a cute little bow. OMG. And you decorated both sides, girl. Look at that. How cute. You guys know you hear me say cute 1,000 times because I feel like I have no other word in my vocabulary. Oh, this is where the little tickets go. We're going to put the little tickets back in here because I'm pretty sure this is where they go, right? Is that where the tickets go? No? I don't want to mess anything up. But she's got some cute little tickets here with a cute little heart clip. It says happy birthday. She's got layers. You guys, look at that. All the little layers that she did. There's tulle. Oh my gosh, Dina, this is amazing. And you're a newbie? What? Look at this. How cute is that? Well, I'm assuming you're a newbie to YouTube. You're not a newbie to crafting. Look at this. She sent me a bunch of cute little resin pieces. Look at that. I love this one right here. Oh, these are adorable. Thank you for those. And it says in the back, 5 cents candy. Super cute. And look at this. Look at all these layers. How beautiful is this tag? You guys are truly, truly blowing me away with your work. Like, my tag flip collection is insane. I'm going to be staring at these whenever I'm having a bad day. Look how pretty. I love this ephemera piece right here. It says happy birthday to you with a little bird. And it's like the vintage like record players. Oh my gosh, look. She sent me some pink little bows, the little glittery bows. And I think these are the Heidi Swap ones. And I love this. You guys know I love me some pink. Look, and there's little washi samples. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this one. She put like little twine. Look at the layers. So cute. I can't believe she decorated both sides. Look at that. Oh, wait. Look at this. This is another little separate tag. I have this actually, the little pack, and I've never used it. Look how pretty that is. So that's like its own little tag right there. And look at this one. Look at the colors. Wishing a happy birthday. So cute. I love it. I love all the layers. I love the way you created this. It's amazing. You guys are so talented. Oh, look. Here's a little pack of tickets. Maybe I could stick them in there. Yeah, I'm going to stick them in here so I don't lose any. Here's the tickets. And I love these. These are so fun to add like to projects as little accent pieces. They're great. I love playing around with tickets. So she gave me a whole little packet filled with tickets. And look at this cute little ephemera piece that says, smile, it's your birthday. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. A shaker balloon. And look at the little balls on the balloon string. Like, how cute. These little pom-pom clips. Look at the little pink bow. Look at that. It's your special day. She is so good at layering. Look, she gave me a little sequence mix. Look at those colors. I love it so much. And then look at this one right here. We have like a little chipboard tag where she put a little birthday hat. She added these little clips like around the whole tag flip. How cute. Oh, look, you guys. She even sent me like some ephemera pieces. There's pom-poms in there. Oh, look at that big dog balloon. It's a party. So fun. Let me see if I can see some of these little ephemera pieces. I don't want to mess up the tag. Hold on. Or lose my place. This says, today is the best day ever. I've never seen this piece. This one I think is from the Hooray. It says party. Look at this one. They look like cake pops. I've never seen that either. So cute. Let me put these back in here. The dog balloon and the little flag is in there. Don't want to lose a little pom-pom. Then we have this one that says party animals. These are some cute pieces. And look at this cupcake. It's like holographic. How fun is that? Thank you so much for sharing ephemera with me. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm looking at the next tag and it's so cute. Look at this. How fun is that? It says treat yourself. It's got a cute little candy resin piece. And then inside, she tucked some goodies. So we have some like cut aparts. Look at this cake, you guys. Look at this. How cute is this? OMG, go ahead and have some cake. That is adorable. I absolutely love it, and I am hoarding it forever and ever and ever. And there's a bunch of cut aparts, and that cake is giving me a life. I love it, Dina. Thank you. And then look at this one. It says cheer, birthday cheer, and then she has like little sprinkles. Do you guys see that? Here's another little pocket, and she added some more little ephemera pieces. She hooked your girl up. Okay, make sure I'm the right way. Over here we see that she used, this has to be an ephemera pack. Dina, if you're watching this, let me know where you got these ephemera pieces, because they are so cute. I think the little tickets went in here, but it's fine. That looks so cute. Look at that. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. And look at the other side. It says happy birthday to you. And look at the little cake. This is such a great tag flip. The cute little cupcake that her daughter made me. Oh my gosh, this chunky monster is amazing. I love it so much. Dina, if you're watching, thank you so much for entering my challenge. Thank you so much for creating all these amazing fun treats for me. I absolutely love them. You did an amazing job. I do hope that you have an active channel because you need to be showing your work. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys. And don't forget to check out Dina down below. Okay, bye.